As more coastal Bend students return to classrooms today, we have a look at what one local school district is doing to protect its students from COVID-19.
Students will be assigned to a pod prior to their first day of on-campus instruction.
The Gregory Portland School District has a unique system to help students with the transition back to campus. The district is using pods to keep students safe, and a protective pod will be assigned to every student before class begins.
I like it because I think that it's going to help keep them safe, but then I don't like it because, they're wanting to socialize with their friends.
Meanwhile, the Corpus Christi Independent School District has rolled out its Phase 1 plan, which allows a certain number of students back to campus. Now, they include special needs students, students who are having trouble with remote learning technology, and those students whose parents are teachers. 25% of the students who chose in-person learning will be welcomed back onto campus for the first time since the pandemic began. Now, this morning, we're learning more about CCISD's planned back to school. Sunrise reporter Cordero McMurray joins us from Los Encinos Elementary School with more as parents and students should be arriving there shortly this morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Paulo. And believe it or not, in just about an hour, parents will be dropping their child off. Chief of Staff Kimberly James says, they're excited to welcome the students back for in-person learning, but the first day of school is going to look a little different this year. Now, the school has provided face shields for staff and are requiring students to wear their masks while on campus, but the district needs help. They say it is very important that parents and students are self-screening at home and following the school district's protocol guidelines to ensure everyone's safety.
We are going to be observing all of the social distancing guidance that CDC and our health authorities have given us, ensuring that our students are safe and they know how to follow good hygiene plans. Obviously, if a teacher suspects or feels like there's somebody that looks like they're not feeling good, we immediately send those students to an isolation station so that we're isolating students.
Through the school district's protocol, if a student or staff member tests positive, they will not let them report to campus or school. Also, Kimberly James says they can return after 10 days have passed after the positive test result or symptom. And a few safety measures that people can take when picking their child up, making sure they have hand sanitizer, and also explaining to them the importance of wearing a mask and washing their hands throughout the day. Now, Phase 2 does begin September 21st. Reporting from Los Encinos Elementary School, Cordero McMurray, Chris 6 News, Sunrise. Back to you, Paulo.